what is your problem?
Marketers, what did they do?
Not to know, they used to sell market. That's all. What is a marketer? A marketer is somebody who used to sell market. It depends on your market. Sometimes you can sell glass cup, sometimes you can sell plate, sometimes you can sell hearing, and sometimes you can sell cloth.
Now,
it depends on your strength and weakness. Excuse me, so I'm answering your question.
I don't lie, they lie. Now make me one talk.
So you are telling me that I don't know.
Not be the real thing.
How will you know it's the real thing?
I don't know what you want to talk.
How will you know? Is it your knowing? Is it your knowing?
It's your no, but I know.
It's not. You cannot know. There cannot be two no's.
No, but you know, say for Nigerian film, when film starts, you don't know where it go. You know where it go finish. But that Juliet Ibrahim own way say film start. See where it stop. No, talk true.
Exhibit.
Talk true.
Why me? Now why me?
I not go the trailer.
I don't know. Abante, it's your laughter that trigger him to ask you that question.
No. He just say, but he dey talk like saying go the trailer.
I not go.
Okay.
I not go the preview of the movie. You don't understand? But I hear. Say how the movie take end. Some people not like how it take end. You don't even know anything.
But
yeah, some films I they like and make it end at a particular place and say it will keep you. You not even know. Now you go use your mind end them.
Exactly.
You understand? And they like movies like that. And they like my if I go do if when I go do my own movie. No, sorry.
No, and they listed. Yes.
No, seriously.
Talk to me. Yes.
I know what I talk.
When you do your own
I
thing,
go like make
how will
the
it
movie
end?
start from ending.
To the
You know like a movie me say go start from ending before you can't go back to beginning.
Okay, like the curious case of Benjamin Buttons.
But you understand? Or John Wick. You know John Wick.
Yeah.
When you say the movie now from, you go first see the end of the movie.
Before you
go start.
Take it back.
That's that way talk now. Deep filmmaking technique or deep. Normally, films over they see nah.
But you go understand. We when they hear, will it understand us?
Them.
We go understand. Take it. You know, now one person do something first. You don't break grounds. Okay. Other people can't they?
Funny enough, most African stories now from ending in the start. How thought is break back. Started from the back. Now the broken back we first see before we trace them back.
Okay.
Right? How whatever it starts from the back.
It's
normally.
true. Because you see this back where they talk about, and when you start something, it's just to start it. Once you start them, that's
it
all.
go play out inside your head. You understand them?
We know they know series that time. Waiting be series. Now film, film
you
now.
know how I don't imagine.
Suddenly.
You know how I don't imagine to shoot film for most of the time when they drive past Tony Miller
Your
Bridge.
own now film you want shoot or series?
Series.
Okay.
You know I don't. If both of them join short movies, I don't want to do all those long short movies. How do I imagine to do short movie about every day? As in now one day for the life of those waiting for that on top water.
Like one day in the life of.
Reason that matter.
I don't reason that scene. How they go toilet, go where they watch school. School. You know the school they there.
Washroom.
You know the school they there.
Shop they on top boots.
On top boots.
Then go part do consell a
You get some people who never come out there.
See them bond them.
See them bond them.
Yes.
You understand? I could if I the pastor people when they do movies. No, they see. I could I can't listen and say now money then they look for.
Yeah.
Now, you get one project where you work on now. I don't know. My spirit is telling me I can see my inner man.
Yeah.
My inner man.
He's telling you what?
You just finished him. You do it recently. The spirit is telling me. Yes, Baba.
Okay.
Knock your head now. Knock your head.
Yes, Baba. What is it?
I just finished one project.
Wow. How could it be?
They call them Daddy's Girls. We just shoot 26 episodes of that one.
So Mommy's Guest is coming soon.
Down to the come. Push down for Ikorodu. That's a simple, small story. Now, Papa, when wife don't die, and he get 3 young girls. So now the wahalas in the life of growing girls. Marry or no marry, boyfriend or no marry or no boyfriend, period or no period, allergic boyfriend, things like that. So, and the popsy now they are God sent, and they solve matter. So episode after episode, different things they come up in the server. Simple story, very interesting. It star Nancy Simon, Chike Oke, and Blessing Ambrose.
I like the fact say no be common names.
Not be common. You see, plenty people there with the act fire.
It's not by name.
Not be by name.
By name.
That make you see Hollywood, for this movie, you go see these crazy stars for this movie. Another movie, you go see other people where you not even know. Where you not even know who them be. And that movie could be blockbuster movie. For example, 50 Shades Shade of Grey. I never watched that movie.
Never watched it.
I never watched that movie. I just didn't like I read the review. Me, before I watch movie, I go first go to different reviews of the movie.
Go read review of Sons of Anarchy first before you watch it.
That Sons of Anarchy, and nothing what one way to watch. It get series. It get series when they say I go sit down. watch. Like I want see series of how witches take the work for Nigeria. No, I'm serious. Typical Benin witch. And they wait to see. No, seriously.
See why they
laugh.
laugh.
They will laugh like them.
Why they laugh like that?
That guy series of Salem. Salem. That's Salem. The series. I want something.
Is the spirit
something like that.
He said, why Benin?
Leave this one. No way say they talk. My brother.
Okay, the ideas are very fatal. Okay, I understand because about them, your twin brother has come and he has ginger and resurrected all those things inside your body.
Now, what do you go like see for Nigerian movie industry?
What I go like see first, I go like more to see more corporate body partnership. We not get money.
But how did they make you see now all this film where you don't talk, you don't shoot series, you don't do this, you don't do where they get your money, they do this thing because people they always say it's no money. If they call you for work now, say my brother, my sister, yours help us manage. You know because this is tough times.
They're not to lie. The truth should say money never plenty or the money where they never circulate. Now I do film. I can't go cinema. Me and cinema will do sharing formula. After 2 weeks, the time you see my hall no grip full again, and they know if the bond generator for me, see I can't come out my film. Normally, I know we get option than to call my brother with the alaba. So I can't carry him Chijo, okay? How much you go give me? Now Chijo will give me stupid offer. I know say I no get that option.
You collect them.
I'll collect them. And are the old people?
You guys pay.
I got pay. I don't rent actor. I don't rent crew. I don't rent location. We don't use motor. We don't burn one of the motor. We got pay these bills. So that formula not great work. So gradually things don't improve now, right? So you do your movie finish, if you do private screening for small companies where they go show them, all people them, they won't do one dinner. You just watch your film before they chop their chow. Collect down money, keep. You enter cinema, collect down money, keep. Then thank God, say web don't come day now. Netflix don't enter Africa, so those ones you just monetize on top web. Give them web only, right? Then later you after cinema and web. One festival they do for South Africa for November, they call them Discop, where would they go sell TV content. If you can't go there, come reason say, okay, when I come buy Portuguese version of my film for Portugal and Portuguese speaking country only. Buy Spanish, carry and go South America. When I buy UK rights. So down you go rake small bar. Now there where they get money from for now. But ordinarily, if to say we get better partnership from both government and private bodies, where government will say, Mona no buy pirates. What's in there? 170 million people. I can tell you, say, up to quarter, they buy film on a weekly. See traffic business when they sell film. If they sell, that's when they come back. So if one law they grant, we assure me, say, quarter of this population go buy my film, I demand.
So how will they deal with piracy? This thing, people don't talk, they don't talk.
We don't talk and tire.
Don't talk.
We don't talk.
How filmmakers they fight this thing?
We not fight if government not there.
So they know they pay the pirates because we hear say sometimes.
Now some people don't come reason on that matter. Say okay, instead make everyone they fight them, incorporate them inside your business. So you go make the film. It's like not being able to fight your mama boyfriend.
Because you go see they come back. Your mama
lover. Come back.
Yes.
So you can't go say like, okay, stepdaddy, can't give me money for food. Can't give me, you try to deal with my mama. Can't give me something inside. Okay. So some people can't go meet the pirate say, bros, Chijoke, I don't say you go get him. Kuku take.
Take him.
Now your own. Oh, yeah, do me nice.
Do me well.
But the question is, how much nice Chijoke if you do you?
Exactly.
Chijoke is a bloody businessman.
Aye.
So whether he do you nice or not do you nice, the movie go see come out.
Go see come out. So until one law say Chijoke, if you say this thing, you go die. And they catch open like Chijoke brother, Chijoke fit choke.
Yeah.
You can't collect money, you can't pay you well.
Exactly. But if government not involved, they no follow body do nothing.
This now government for federal level. Oh.
Yeah,
because
of course.
State level.
Of course, at federal level. Because these things, not somewhere that they print them for this country.
Now, it gets somebody, that movie where I been shoot, where I just recently, the guy, they tell me, and the director, I don't want to call his name, he said then go shoot. They just come back from one award for movies, Afri something, Arif or something. Afri. They just come back. He say before then, in don't go Spain. Miss Oyan keep people there. Where they come Nigeria, come invest for Hollywood, for Nollywood. So the guy now in fear, now say make him get small ground, because Hollywood we don't get ground finish. Come here. You where they form big boy for here. Now you go become boy.
Yep.
Me boy.
Because when Hollywood and it's they come, say
Not be lying.
those when they come enter now. Okay, that film that movie we go shoot. 2 white people they there. Carry their own camera.
They don't come.
They don't come.
Since.
They come.
Yes.
Go.
Yes.
Come. When they come finally come, forget them. Plenty people go there out of.
Yes, they
That's
fear
true.
say the
Job,
market go
that's very
shoot them.
That's why those when they say they do movie like Tope and the likes of Kunle, where they do original settle down do movie.
Yes.
To me, now them go fake carry joint body.
That go good though.
So no matter all this, that was waiting with the talk be say.
All these area films.
Yes, all this half and half, where you go just go by the corner, go and carry that camcorder, say they shoot film.
You don't watch Spider Girl.
I see him.
You don't see him.
Hey.
Hey.
You don't see say some of our brothers for that side. Don't they copy? All these Indian series where they plenty now for market. They don't copy the story now. Can't they do their own story? You never see.
I never see them.
They come.
Anyway, double toilet all off when I wait on. I watch us. Sorry, say we'll not take phone calls, we'll not retweet messages. I beg. We just want to settle down, discuss with Tope Alake. I beg Mona no fair say. Tope, for those who want to follow you on Tope, Twitter, all your social media handle. I know all of them are Tope Alake.
That's so.
Tope Alake, very simple. As your name take the Tope Alake, all of them. Tope Alake on top Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of them. Follow Tope Alake, make you see it works. And then, in case you want to follow him, discuss ministry, follow him, discuss. Until next time, una good night.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.